back with another one. Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We're going over Luffy. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Check this out. I want to explain why buying Luffy right now is like buying Saitama back in August, right? A lot of people ask me, Yon, what's the next Shiba? What's the next Saitama? And they do a lot of comparing and contrasting the other different coins. And when you want to find out what's the next Shiba or what's the next Saitama, one thing you have to look at is the total supply of a coin, right? Luffy has the same total supply as Saitama. They almost have the same exact circulating supply, right? And I've said this over and over on multiple videos that Luffy has the potential to be the next Saitama. And there's a lot of news that's coming out around this. Luffy just tweeted they had big news to fill your bags, and they plan on killing 2 zeros by January 2022, right? Luffy is getting listed on Saitama. This is Saitama's wallet that's being released tomorrow, November 13th. This is a very big deal in cryptocurrency right now, and it's going to affect the price of a lot of different cryptos that's listed on that platform, because you will easily be able to use like Apple Pay and your credit card to purchase all of these different coins instead of going through Uniswap and paying Ethereum gas fees. Now, what Luffy doing is they're creating their own metaverse, NFT marketplace, a DEX platform, and interactive games. They already have one game out, The Land of Kai. They're releasing the racing game, and they developing a lot more within that ecosystem, right? One thing I like about Luffy is the tokenomics. You get a 3% reflection, right? 2% goes to marketing, 2% goes back into the liquidity pool, and 2% is burnt. So the tokenomics of Luffy is solid for a run like Saitama. Now we look at the price of Luffy. The price of Luffy is currently 801, right? It's up 39% for the day. The price of Saitama is currently 601. It's up 18%. The price of Saitama represents a $10 billion market cap, and the price of Luffy represents a $163 million market cap. So if Luffy was to lose a zero, right, that'll be $1 billion in market capital, right? A 10x from where it's at. But Luffy is predicting or projecting it's going to kill 2 zeros, which would be a $10 billion market cap by January 2022. Now, Saitama did this within 4 months, right? Saitama did this run in 4 months. If we look back at Saitama August 5th, right? Around August 5th, it was the same price of Luffy right now. And in about 2 months, right? 2 months really, it did all of this. 3 months, right? In a good 3 months, it ran up all the way to a $10 billion market cap. Luffy right now is 2 months old, sitting at 801, which represents $160 million market cap. So I feel like Luffy has a great potential, right? With all of the development, they have a whole utility hub where you can go on here and learn about all of the utility, right? This project is partnering with multiple other coins like Chopper, Inu, Goku, Inu, and they're also partnering with the Saitama platform. You can buy Luffy on Uniswap, but it's already listed on a bunch of exchanges like Bitmart, Lbank, XT.com, Hotbit, Whitebit, Shiba Swap. So this project gonna be big. It's gonna be accessible. It's gonna be big, and I feel like this is a good buy right now. You know, I'm holding trillions of Luffy, and I just wanted to bring y'all an update on this coin, because in a couple months we're gonna be looking at this like, yeah, that was a good investment. So it's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I'm out. Peace.